Welcome to my Yoga Khazana series. Here I give you an authentic, verified solution for health, wellness and yogic lifestyle. Beta, have you seen animals wearing glasses?
No!
Oh, and you have seen it?
No!
No, okay. You know, the animals live in a natural habitat in jungle and they can spot their prey from far away, even from a mile away. We have risen from animalhood to manhood. We are born with a natural, healthy eyesight, but we blur it because of our wrong habits. Let's now practice the fourth exercise, rotational viewing. Sit in Dandasana. Place right hand on right knee. Hold left fist above left leg and its thumb pointing upward and keeping elbow straight. Move left hand to the left and make very slowly a large circular motion, keeping eyes wide open, focused on thumb without blinking or moving the head. Inhale while moving upper arc of circle and exhale while completing lower arc. Perform this 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise, first with your right hand and then followed by left hand. Rotational viewing improves coordinated activities of all eye muscles. Once done, close your eyes and perform palming.